Good afternoon, everybody. This is Bob Iacchino from Path Trading Partners along with Mike Arnold, and this is an afternoon Path Chat covering the Forex markets. Sorry about this morning. We had some technical difficulties and could not get the FX Path Chat out. So we're doing it now because Mike had some key levels he wanted to point out to you guys, and we don't want to disappoint you on that. So this is the FX Path Chat. We will most likely do another one tomorrow. I'm sure Mike will address that as well. Anyway, I'll cover some of the economic data that happened today and some of the things that happened today in the Futures Path Chat, like always, which should be up on YouTube soon if it's not already. In the meantime, let me turn it over to Mike to let you know what he's seeing on the charts.
Okay, thank you, Bob. Sorry, everyone, for the technical difficulties this morning. Just thought I'd put out a quick currency update this evening. Then we'll do another one tomorrow as long as there are no technical difficulties. So, Euro US dollar rallied back up virtually to yesterday's highs before dropping back down, touching exactly on the 25% GAN level, 108.55. Now rallying back up to the next GAN level, higher, 109.03, where it sits currently. Those are going to be the major levels. So resistance is up around that 109.50 area. And then if that we do get through that, the next major GAN level higher is 109.98. Again, minor support going to come in around this 109.03 area. Then if we drop back down, watch for some minor support from the trend line, which can come in around 108.87. Significant level, 108.78. And then we have this 108.55 level. If that is broken, next area to the lower is 108.20, where we have a significant level and a rising 8 EMA. Over to the pound. Moved up slightly, got 8, just a concept we call 8 pushing the price. We held above the 25% GAN level. Traded on a different GAN level of 12.5% from a different price retracement area, and that held today. Now we're testing some resistance right now at this trend line. If we do get a move, sustained move above this trend line, 129.04 is the next major level higher. Then if that is exceeded, we're looking at 129.71. On a pullback, 128.06 is going to be some support. If that is broken, we're looking at about 127.78 to 127.71. And then if that's violated, nothing down until the 127.30 area. Over to the yen. See, very big rally up. Hit a significant level. A major GAN cluster we've talked about up here. Around this 111.74 to 80 area. And it's dropped back down. Found some support around the 110.86. So tomorrow we're going to be watching the 110.86 area support. If that is broken and the US dollar Japanese yen heads lower, looking for 110.49 to 110.41 next area, and then the 110.24. On a move back up, resistance around this 111.29 area, and then we're looking back to that 111.65 to 80 area as very, very key. If we do get a move above there, we go into a clear path with a much longer, higher potential price target around the 112.73 area. Over to the Swiss. Swiss came up, tested the rotation zone. The previous day's highs now has fallen back down. So if the US dollar Swiss rallies back up tomorrow, very minor resistance, 99.47. Significant resistance right around the 99.60 to the 99.68 area. If that is violated, watch for a potential rally to 99.82 and then the 99.88 area, where we have a declining 21 and a trend line coming in. On a move lower, 99.23 is support, along with this trend line coming in virtually at the same area. That's very key support. If that is broken, 99.02 is the next level down. Then we have a cluster below that coming in around 98.89. Over to the Aussie. Very big move in the Aussies. Slight rally up, found some resistance around the flat 200, declining 21, and the 37.5 GAN level, 75.50. Then falling back down through all the levels, finding some support at the 50% GAN level, 74.54. Right now trading at this Gann cluster right around 74.73. So on a move back up tomorrow, watch for minor resistance 74.93 to 74.98. Then a possible retest of the trend line 75.13. Then a retest of the 75.28 level right in here. Move lower, 74.54 is going to be key. If we fall through that, can't do any major Gann projections yet until we have a confirmed low here. So the next major level down is a 73.81 all the way down here. And we're trading into a very big clear path. So you could see an accelerated move. So even if we close below this 74.70 area, somewhere down here, we're trading into the clear path, which does trigger a longer term trend line trade, which then we could see levels trading down to about the 73.37 and eventually down to the 72.90 area on longer term price projections. US dollar, Canadian dollar came down, found some support at our 12.5% Gann level and significant level, the 135.40, rallied strongly up and looking to test this prior yesterday's highs coming in right around 136.26. If we get through that 136.26 level, next Gann projection up is 136.74, followed by 137.24. And remember, we're in that ascending channel. On a pullback, support right around 135.75, followed by 135.40, and then 135.25. And if that is broken, watch for a retest of this trendline area right around 135.12 and the rising 8. Finally, Mexican peso, US dollar Mexican peso pair rallied up through the 50, through our 75% Gann level 1912.82, went towards our next level around 1935.02. On a rally tomorrow, that 1935.02 is going to be key, followed by a significant level at 1938.83. If those are broken, then you could possibly watch for a 1947.90 resistance area on a longer move. On a pullback, minor support is going to come in around the 1908.75, followed by the 1902.77, and then if we really pull back, 1890.24 is the next key level. That's all we have for you. Back to you, Bob.
Thank you, Mike. And again, guys, I will cover what happened during the course of today and some of the economic data in the futures path chat if you haven't watched it yet. Cheers, everyone. Thanks for watching.